Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the Chromebook is plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi network. Updates can pause if the battery is low. Sign into the owner or admin account so you have permission to install system updates. Once signed in, open the launcher and type settings, then scroll to About Chrome OS. This is the control point for updates. You want to be where the device checks for new versions, because from here you'll trigger the download and installation steps immediately. Once in About Chrome OS, click Check for Updates and watch the status. The system will scan Google servers and report availability. If an update is available, Chrome OS downloads it automatically. You'll see a progress indicator. Make sure you don't close the lid or force shutdown during this phase, because partial installs can corrupt the OS. After the download finishes, the prompt will typically read Restart to apply. Choose it when you're ready, since the restart completes the installation and activates the new software. After you restart, Chrome OS finishes installing and boots into the updated system. Sign back in and return to About Chrome OS to confirm the new version number. If the update fails, don't panic. First, try another check for updates, then consider a power wash only after you back up local data, because that resets user accounts. If problems persist, write down any error code and create recovery media on a separate USB or SD card. That lets you reinstall Chrome OS safely and restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.